Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to stream on TikTok. So to go live, open TikTok on your device, and then at the bottom center of your screen you see plus sign, and then swipe to the live option like this, and then enter a title for your live stream. Also, you can add, it's optional thing, but you can do it. You can add a cover image of your live stream, and you can also apply some filters. And when you are ready to go live, basically tap go live button to start your live. But please note that to access the live feature you must be at least 18 years old, and you should also have at least 1,000 followers. That's very important because you see that I don't have that function because I literally have 0 followers. So if you meet this criteria and still do not see live option, ensure that your application is updated to the latest version. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.